Someone once said, we don't know what we don't know. We can't act on what we don't know. We won't know what we don't search. We won't search what we don't question. We won't question what we don't measure. Hence, we just don't know. Smart Energy Source is a joint consortium between Central Rural Electric Cooperative, Oklahoma State University, City of Stillwater Utilities, and C.H. Guernsey. And I am David Swank, CEO of Central Rural Electric. I want to welcome you to smartenergysource.coop. This is an initiative that began nearly 2 years ago for the purpose of trying to better understand how some of the contrasts in our industry today were going to change our current business model. Utilizing the collective resources of all parties involved to put together case studies that would really begin to evaluate and question the existing paradigms that exist in our industry. Today, we have an industry that is very traditional, and yet as we face many of these new challenges, it's going to be imperative that we begin to question some of our old paradigms, that we begin to search for new solutions, that we begin to measure the impacts and the results of these efforts so that they truly create value for the residential consumer, create value for the commercial consumer, and ultimately also create value for the utility for a sustainable business model. In closing, I would share with you that it was once asked what Thomas Edison's greatest discovery was, and many would say that it was the light bulb. But others would argue that his greatest discovery was not the light bulb, but his greatest discovery was really that of a discipline of processes on unveiling new discoveries. In other words, it was the methodology of uncovering new knowledge. And smartenergysource.coop is an effort to try to uncover new knowledge, to break down old paradigms, to question existing business models, and see what we can do on behalf of consumers to create a future utility industry that truly powers the economy of our country.